Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV Worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It gets one breaking news now when they make around the whole social media. I don't know if one I don't hear what they happen in Davido's family. One tragedy just happened, and this is not a good one at all for everybody. In fact, to everyone when know Davido. The news say breaking: Davido's son Ifeanyi is dead. So now, remember say Davido and Choma them be couples according to what everybody know today, and both of them can get one handsome child what they call Ifeanyi Adeleke, and na the only child when Choma gets presently with Davido according to the way when they call the young billionaire. Well, before we enter inside this news, I mean, what happened to this young boy, what they call Ifeanyi Adeleke, Davido's son, I want to take this little opportunity to thank all of you when they watch Funky D Worldwide, and also want to use this opportunity to tell those of you when never subscribe before but when they watch Funky D, make you use this opportunity to take subscribe, and make you not forget to comment, because now my comment na hand the booster my morale to the take they come out to speak to my audience. So God bless you all as you subscribe. Now, the news they tell us, all of us together, say this little boy, what they call Ifeanyi Adeleke, the son of the billionaire singer, when be Davido Adeleke, when in Papa too na billionaire, when be Adeleke himself. And they tell us, say the little boy, Ifeanyi, say the boy died today. Make we see what they tell us. I mean about how the little boy take die. They say Ifeanyi Adeleke, the 3 years old son of the popular musician star Davido Adeleke, is dead. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Brother, this one is breaking news, so don't forget about it. Then they tell us, say, the young boy, say, na inside pool when the young boy died put. In fact, swimming pool when this little boy they inside, and then the boy can't drown. Okay? According to the news and the source. Okay? Then they claim, say, na their family house. Now that place, inside their family house, na him, the boy, die put before they rush the boy go hospital. According to them, the boy don't confirm dead. This evening, na him everything they happen. And the hospital, when they carry this little boy, when be Ifeanyi Adeleke go. Now one hospital when they for Lagos. According to them, then say before this little boy died, the video don't come out, when they tell the Nigerian people and his fans how the little boy they take learn very, very fast. You know, like a smart child. He was before he died. Now, a little boy, 3 years old, when get mama, get papa, and not be only the mama and the papa they there when the thing they happen. Then talk say in a family house. Now him be say plenty people must have been there. How can a smart guy or a smart lady like Choma and Davido themselves allowed their only child, for both the only child for both of them, to be drowned in a pool where these two people they, let's say they're not they, maybe then carry the little boy give Davido family or Choma family, where that person they when we leave a 3 years old little boy, Ifeanyi, inside swimming pool alone. Does it make sense, ladies and gentlemen? The answer is no. It don't make any common sense. For once again, somebody like Davido and Choma to leave their only son inside swimming pool, and also the boy died there. It doesn't make any sense to anybody when they reason very, very well. Remember, the relationship between Davido and Choma not be today. Everybody knows a problem there long time. All right, but we no go into that analysis until we get a proper information about how this boy really died, because nobody go believe say somebody go open an eye, mama or papa or even housemate go leave a little boy inside swimming pool alone, and the boy drowned there and died there. It's very, very impossible, ladies and gentlemen. So that one are the breaking news concerning Davido and Choma. Remember a few days ago, we get some kind of videos when went viral online about these two people when I go meet the Oba of Benin. In fact, somebody like Cubana chief priest was there, and a lot of people, even that guy when we Davido, a right hand man, all of them were there when with a priest couple. That was a few weeks back when Oba of Benin come begin to introduce his own daughter to these music moguls. But anyway, may the boy soul rest in peace, and our condolence to the star Davido and his partner when we Choma. No one when understand the whole thing when happen inside this boy matter. Only the mama and the papa and people when they are around there go explain much more better. Remember some few years back, one also happened about the bunch, and also that one too. Now his son, the bunch son, when still die inside the pool, just exactly the way this one still happened. At least something must be behind this kind of tragedy. Okay, so make we go take a look on waiting then tell us about some group of people. And this group of people, then be mean when we say, look, there matters a lot in the Middle East. Now, Turkish government, led by Erdogan and his group, recently, in fact, this news come out yesterday, when they tell us, say, the Erdogan government and also Nigerian government say they want, in fact, a lot of drones, drones and helicopters, then they on their way to Nigeria. I mean, drones, ladies and gentlemen, that drones where you take, they destroy Ukraine and Russia. When that drone they fly, they hardly they notice say something they on air. If they drop bomb like the way when submarine they take drop bomb. So, Turkish ambassador to Nigeria, now him come they make this claim. When some news media, then they ask him some, little questions regarding Turkish relationship and Nigerian people. So the man can't go ahead. They tell Nigerian people, see, he gets some drones, plenty drones and helicopters. When we land Abuja very, very soon. And the man can give reasons why all those drones and helicopters they take come that Nigeria. Look, the people when Nigerian government they side with in the whole matter, then be wrong set of people. Because the Turkish government now government we know about their brutality against their citizens and how much they welcome terrorism in their country. So the ambassador can go ahead, they tell Nigerian people say these drones when they come now to wage war against terrorists and also to support Nigerian people, because the man can claim say he gets some kind of agreement when they meet before, that is the Turkish government and the Buhari government, pertaining how, they could be collaborating in so many levels. Now, in fact, the Ukraine and Russia, where they fight war, where they fight, the kind drones, where they bring come Nigeria, and the helicopters, they're not that area. Because now very few drones when they get in like places like Ukraine. So the Russian people get their own too. The people when they supply the Russian people drones, now the Iranian government. In fact, remember recently, Russia struck a deal with Iranian government about $40 billion regarding oil. Okay, so now these things when they come into Nigeria, I not understand the kind of war when they want fight in Nigeria, when Turkish government will carry hundreds of drones and helicopters. They tell us proudly, say all these things they land in Nigeria to wage war against Boko Haram people. So all of us know what in the on ground now regarding the election. When would they think about the drones, when they want to hunt the innocent people down during election time? That's what we think of. because those drones, when they claim say they come, now to target innocent Nigerian people. Not be about Boko Haram or about herdsmen or about Ansaru people or about any terrorist people in Nigeria. They want to intimidate you, reach ground. And the people when they in government right now, they are very, very brutal set of people. I don't tell now before, if you not allow Bola Tinubu them to take over that country, una go beg God, say make him bring back Abacha, say Abacha, na him better for una. Election never reach now. They tell you, see, then they bring drones when they want to take monitor you, when they want to take hunt you down during election periods. That's all. That's all. It's not about Boko Haram, not about the insecurity, but now that one they will tell you, see, nine they make them, they bring in this stuff, come inside Nigeria. They bring in the helicopter, now they make them, they bring in the helicopter, now they make them, they bring in different kind of things and drones. But at the end of the day, not be waiting, then tell you, not be him, they won't use them for. Because if the Buhari government, APC government, the Tinubu government, then they sincere in fighting all this insecurity. Today in Nigeria, peace for done day, long time. Peace for done day, they are not interested. The only thing when they interested on, not to grab the power. That is the only thing. They are all power hungry men and women. So all of them. So ladies and gentlemen, when I don't hear the news what happened to Davido, I feel sorry for the little boy, I feel sorry for Choma, and I also feel sorry for the singer Wemby Davido. But I wonder who will leave that little boy. The mama nor the papa nor the nobody, the boy just done just like that. Anyway, on to further notice. One love everybody.